Kia ora everyone. We are getting very close to the end, only a few more to go. These problems are increasing in difficulty. This one should be very easy to do the first part and quite a lot harder to do the second part. We're just going to do the first part today. The extension is interesting to do. You need to do a little bit of algebra to convert the other two temperatures. And you'll probably have to do a little bit of Googling, such as how to convert Fahrenheit to Kelvin or Kelvin to Fahrenheit, or pass them all through Celsius or something like that. For the moment, we're just going to implement that formula there. My hand is disappearing. And convert degrees Fahrenheit into Celsius. 5/9 over F minus 32. Let's do it. So we're going to go, F is going to be equal to a float input. What is, oops, need some of these. What is the temperature in degrees, degrees F? I'm sure there is a little Unicode character you can use for degrees F. I don't know what it is. I think there's an Alt key. If you push Alt something, you should be able to find one of them at the moment. I don't have it. Maybe you can find it. Maybe you can put it on there. Make it a little bit nicer to look at. Okay, so let's implement that formula. C is equal to, remind me, 5 divided by 9. 5 over 9 times F minus 32. Print F string that. F is C. Celsius, capital C? Good question. Little c. Big C. What is the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? It's 701. No, that's way too much. Let's see. If it's 32, I believe we should be at 0. Correct. Nice. Run that. What is the temperature in degrees? Let's do 100 degrees. There we go. We might want to round this. Make it a little bit nicer. But hey, that's working. Slash in this. It's 62 degrees Fahrenheit. There we go. You've got a temperature converter. Look at that. And that's that question done, at least the first part. How would you go about doing the extension? Well, what I would do is I would first convert everything into a common temperature. Say I was doing Kelvin to Fahrenheit or Fahrenheit to Kelvin. I would probably convert them through Celsius. You would lose a little bit of accuracy, but I think it will be okay. You would go to Google and you'd look up those formulas and you'd just implement them. You could have a list of formulas from one to the other and check, do you want to convert from Celsius and what do you want to convert it to? And you take an input unit and an output unit, and you can do all of that and have a case for each. Good luck. And once you're finished that, we'll take a look at the next question. See you later.